Okay, let's look for eggs.
Yeah!
Yay, good job. Put it in your bag. Or you put it in the Easter basket.
Good job.
Good
Show
job.
me one time and I know
More.
what's
Do you
going
see
on.
any more? We got lots
Well, there's
more.
more.
Does you see more eggs? Do you want me to hold your basket, your bag for you? No.
Will, look.
Look, is that coming the other I got my eggs. I'm going home.
Will, we got a lot more eggs.
Don't steal eggs out of Easter basket.
Well,
Come on.
come find your eggs.
Come.
There's more. Gotta find them.
Look, Uncle Ben, show us.
What's this? What's this? Is that for you?
Do you put it in your basket?
I'm done.
Just pull that back, hon.
Good job.
Good job. You want to try another one?
Yeah, there's one right there. Yeah.
Good job. You found that one on your own. Good job.
Nice.
All right.
See your basket?
Oh, it's getting full.
This way.
Let's get that the other one.
He's gotta have his drum.
We
Oh, need some help.
Leave it. Doug. Doug. Listen to me. Good boy.
Your basket's same dunk.